Asikwazi ukuba nezwe li-distracted. Never kuzokwenzeka lokho. Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa must remain the president of this country. ANC must lead us. We are not ready for that nonsensical situation that is about to happen in the country. Never. iThekuliphi ngamakhulishini abolile, iliphi igoli ngamakhulishini abolile, imeze u19 shitshana liphi ikuruleni ikuphi. It's dysfunctional as a result of this nonsensical things that we are trying to do. Ngitshena emehlweni mina mntakababa ngithi mina uyihlo nonyoko mabe divorce uno 30 years bashada ubulima lobo ayikho divorce ka 30 years. We've seen a lot of change. Amaphutha bekhona kodwa no, we are not ready for that. Asifani namanye amazwe ziyakhala manje. ANC umbaba uthejele number 1, number 2 sithi sifuna inkululeko yezomnotho kulelizwe, kulungiswe i-constitution of this country, le constitution of democracy iphoqe labo ngqwankulu, iphoqe labelungu laba basidelelayo ukuthi iphoqe with immediate effect ukuthi angithi uyasho with immediate effect bawuvala utshwala siyakhala
nomhlaba immediate effect
awushintshe i-constitution loyo ukuthi uvumela abantu abamnyama babe nomnotho wabo ezandleni zabo. Angani nina nithi ezweni lethu thina sivele certificate yokuthi sibamnyama ngempela, ihlazo iBE ihlazo uthi mina fanele ngi-introduce iphepha elithi ngimnyama ezweni lami. Never, I will never allow that. Uma umuntu omnyama ordinary ukhuluma nje ubani, kodwa uma umuntu omnyama uthi unelungelo lokuvota ubaleke mawuvota makufanele uvoice out your concern regarding the matter that is a crisis. This is a big